Hey guys, welcome back to the build, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working more on some brake lines and getting the fuel system hopefully done. We'll see, but I've got to get the tank back in it so that when the rear end comes I can just take it off the trailer and slide it underneath the car, grab the parts for the rear end, and then just get it bolted in, get this thing together. So I gotta see where I'm at on the rear end as far as Weapon X is doing some work on it, so I don't know where they're going to be coming in on that. I'm not sure, but get these brake lines ran, so that's done. Trying to get all that stuff complete, so we'll have to see how far I get. But the fuel system stuff I tried to do the other day, and I made a few phone calls into some people that could tell me what was going on, what I was doing wrong, because the instructions really couldn't be more vague. They're like, hey, here's fuel pump, install fuel pump. So I've got a lot more fuel stuff to go over with you than that, so we'll get to that point when we get there. Other than that, you guys just sit tight and we'll see how far we get. Alright guys, now that I got the garage clean, I can move on to the rest of the stuff. I got to go through that almost every time because I don't have enough space, but also because I got to have a clean or organized-ish environment. I've got to be able to do that before I can actually start work. So also just helps from getting just a little unnecessarily dirty. I don't have a problem with getting dirty. It's just you lay underneath there when I could have just swept it out. So anyway, on to the task at hand. Alright guys, that's as far as I can get on that brake line there. Obviously I'll have to do more once it's actually time to put everything back together. So I'm going to go and work on the brake lines that feed the actual fuel line assembly, so what everything carries it back to the rear. So now I'm going to do that part of getting the fuel lines and all that stuff bolted back up. So there's that. So that's where we're going to be headed now. Alright guys, I got that mounted up here, and it's mounted up here really good, so basically all with the same factory hardware, so there's no big deal there. But these are the lines I've got to tie into, and these lines are the lines I got to connect. I'm actually going to do it the non-compression right way. Some people, think that the compression fittings do fine. I don't. So I'm going to end up having to flare and use one of these pieces here with two flares, two fittings, sorry, new fittings. It's all new, so it'll all go back together real nice and easy, and it should line out in here away from everything, away from all heat sources, so that's really good. So we'll get on this and see how far we get. Alright guys, so I attempted to fuel stuff again, and it's for a 1998 and 98 only, and my car's an 02, so that's the reason why I've been having so much trouble. So, wasted a lot of time. That stuff's going to get sent back. Tomorrow should be a better video. So, other than that, you guys have a good evening, and I will talk at you tomorrow.